Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, permissions, site type, and where your data lives. Create or pick a modern site so you get web parts and templates. Once done, set up or connect the lists, libraries, Excel files, or Power BI datasets you'll display. Make sure users have at least edit rights for list data and view for embedded reports. This avoids access errors later and lets you start adding web parts immediately. You now build the main dashboard page. Add sections and choose column layouts that match information priority. Insert web parts like list, document library, quick chart, and embed for Power BI. For each web part, configure views, filters, and how it responds to page-wide filters. This controls interactivity and performance. Once configured, connect web parts where supported so selecting an item filters related visuals. You finish by setting page permissions, publishing, and pinning the dashboard to site navigation so users find it. Test as different users and on mobile to confirm layout and data security. If performance lags, enable view thresholds, reduce items returned, or use Power BI datasets for heavy visuals. If a web part shows no data, verify permissions, list thresholds, and refresh web part caching. These are the most common fixes. Finally, collect feedback and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.